Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to chat on Threads app. Make sure to watch until the end to learn all the features and tips for seamless communication with your friends. So let's get started. The first thing I want to let you know is that the Threads application is quite similar to Twitter. Just as you cannot chat directly with anyone on Twitter, same is on Threads. You can see these posts on Thread application. They are similar to the tweets you will find on Twitter. And if you want to reach out to someone, you need to use the comment section. So for this, you can simply write your comment under their post to convey your message. And additionally, you can see this double arrow button. When you will tap on it, a screen like this will pop up, which allows you to repost or quote the post, which is another way to engage with the content. And currently, Threads is at version 1.0, so there will be many updates in the future. It is possible that a chat feature may be added in an upcoming update. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.